Have you ever noticed something strange? The memories that disturb you the most aren't from last week. They are from years ago. Sometimes decades ago. And when they return, they don't feel like memories. They feel like emergencies. Your heart speeds up. Your body tightens. Your mind begins to spiral. If that sounds familiar, you're not weak. Your brain simply believes the threat was never fully resolved. And until it believes you're safe, it won't let it go. Your brain has one primary job: to keep you alive. Deep inside, there is an alarm system. It doesn't care who was right. It doesn't care who was wrong. It doesn't care whether it was your fault. It only asks one question. Could this happen again? If the answer is uncertain, the alarm stays active. That's why old memories replay. From your brain's perspective, you once fell into a hole in life. And you never clearly mapped where that hole was. So it keeps showing you the scene again and again. Not to torture you, but to make sure you don't fall in twice. When something overwhelming happens, especially in childhood, a part of your personality can freeze at that age. You may be 45 today. But in certain emotional moments, a part of you is still 9. That's why some people dream as their younger selves. That memory never updated. Your adult brain exists. Your adult strength exists. But the emotional system attached to that memory still thinks you are small, powerless, and alone. So today, when something even slightly similar happens, your body reacts as if it's happening all over again. Not because you're fragile. Because a part of you is outdated. You cannot erase painful memories. But you can update them. Ask yourself. What exactly happened? What did I believe about myself back then? And what is true about me today? Maybe back then you couldn't defend yourself. Maybe you didn't have the confidence, the money, the knowledge, or the support. But today, you are not the same person. Your brain needs evidence that if this happens again, you can handle it. When it sees that evidence, the alarm slowly lowers. Because now, you are no longer walking blindly. You have a map. Your brain produces motivation and positive emotion when you are moving towards something meaningful. Not when you arrive. When you are moving. If you wake up with no direction, your mind drifts backward. Old memories fill empty space. But when you have a clear goal, even a small one, your attention shifts forward. The brain prefers progress over replay. Movement creates stability. Stagnation feeds rumination. We don't experience the world as random objects. We experience it as pathways. If the path ahead looks clear, we feel calm. If something blocks that path, we feel stress. Even small changes to plans can irritate you. Because your emotional stability is connected to your sense of direction. When the plan breaks, your brain briefly enters chaos. And chaos feels like anxiety. The more capable you believe you are, the faster you recover. Confidence is not positive thinking. It is accumulated proof. If you trust your ability to solve problems, your nervous system stays regulated. If you doubt your ability, uncertainty feels dangerous. This is why building skills reduces anxiety more effectively than affirmations. Competence creates safety. You are not broken. Your brain is trying to protect you using old information. But you are not the person you were back then. Update the memory. Build strength. Choose a direction. And slowly, your past will stop feeling like an emergency.